Beautiful people, how are you all doing today? I hope you're fine. Okay, on to this tutorial I want to quickly show you how to get rid of these stickers on your fabric. You can agree with me that these stickers can be very frustrating, especially when you have to sew. Sometimes you find out that probably you've taken it off and it still ends up getting sticky. Okay, but today I'm going to show you how to get rid of it totally. Now here I have my iron heated already. All I do is just to place it on, place it for a while. Be sure you know the kind of iron you are working with. This is a steam iron and is on a minimum level, not very high. Just place it on it for a while and easily take it off. Easy. I'll do the same thing for the other one. Place it for a while and easily take it off. Okay, now this is not where it ends, because at this point if you touch it, you find out that it's still sticky. Now the next thing is just to use your iron. This is what you keep doing. When you drag for a while, you place it on a plain fabric outside, more like you are trying to take away the sticky on the iron already. Put it back again. Although this is just an exercise that you will keep doing till the whole stickiness goes off totally. Keep doing this. As you do this, you keep checking to see if it is off. At this point it has reduced, so you keep doing this. Like this, and that's it, guys. At this point the fabric is no longer sticky. It's that simple. Okay, so you just try this. With this you will totally get rid of having any form of stickiness on your fabric. Thank you so much, guys. See you on another tutorial. Bye.